In partnership with the Federal Highway Administration and TxLTAP helps Texas cities and counties maintain safe and efficient local road systems through training and technical assistance. Installation and maintenance of signs and pavement markings. LTP 515 is one of our featured classes designed to teach proper methods for applying, installing, and maintaining traffic signs and pavement markings on public roads. This training follows the Texas Manual on Uniform Traffic Control Devices, or TMU-TCD, which sets the standard for signs, pavement markings, highway traffic signals, and overall traffic control across the state. Curriculum guidance also comes directly from TxDOT resources, including the Crew Field Book, Pavement Markings Handbook, and Standard Engineering Plans, to ensure every project meets statewide safety and compliance requirements. Completing this training ensures city and county crews follow accepted safety standards, reduce potential hazards, and maintain consistent, high-quality signage and pavement markings. Proper training is critical for keeping roadways safe for all users. Request LTP 515 for your team and help your agency uphold the highest roadway safety standards. TxLTAP, keeping Texas roads safe and reliable.